everybody. Today I'll be making肉味噌pizza. 肉味噌 is meat miso, and you can also use it for other things. Like you can put it on tofu, or you can cook some vegetables like spinach and oil and then mix it in. And kids like it. It's a very easy dish. Okay, let's start. I have 400 grams of ground pork in the pan, and I don't put any oil in because a lot of oil comes out of the ground beef or ground pork. And I'm gonna preheat the oven. We do Celsius, it's 250 Celsius. I will put the conversion in where I write the recipe in the YouTube channel. So while the meat is cooking, I'm gonna make the miso mixture. You need miso and mirin. Mirin is rice wine, but not exactly. You could substitute it with like other alcohol. Maybe you could do white wine. Okay. So you want 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of mirin. Then 2 tablespoons of miso. Then mix it well. And then I'll add 1 more tablespoon of mirin. So once your meat is almost cooked, make sure you kind of chop it up, and then you put the miso mixture in. You want to help? Okay. Oh, sakana. That's fish. Fish. Oh, do you like fish? Yes? You love fish, don't you? Don't freak out. This fish is already cooked. Don't worry. Okay, and then you just mix the miso in, and once... Oh, it's okay. I think. 助ける? ありがとう. 助けてきて. Are you going to help your sister? Our肉味噌 is done. It smells so good. I'm going to use pizza crust. You can freeze this. It was actually frozen when I bought it. So I thawed it in the refrigerator. I just kept it in there for overnight. But 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Okay, and then you mix it well, and I have soy sauce mayonnaise. And then you put it on your pizza. We're gonna put some of the肉味噌on. Okay, and then we put some corn on top. Uh-oh. Look, I leave corn pizza. And then we sprinkle some cheese on top. Okay, and then we bake it in the oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, so the pizza is done. I think it's perfect. Ta-da! That looks so good. Oh, it smells wonderful. Okay, so that's it. That's our pizza.